Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are here with the guys from Boat Shop to have a look at the Parker 790 Explorer. Interesting one this. So engine wise, as you can probably see, comes with a Mercury 225. Well, I'll drop the performance figures in a moment. Boarding ladder, synthetic composite sort of foam teak flooring, which is really neat. Really nice cockpit boat, this one. An all-weather craft, I think I would probably call this. To start with, seating all the way around here. As you can see, little table, really clever modular design here, and the fact that you can lift up this section here, and you'll notice there's a rail around here, so lift that section, and then you can bring the canopy up all the way forward that meets with the overhang of the coaming here, and effectively enclose this entire area, keeping it completely watertight. The other thing I was going to show you is the lockers, because there is tons and tons of little locker space in there. The joy of an outboard engine boat is, one, it's easy to service, one, they're surprisingly fuel efficient, and two, that frees up tons and tons of underfloor storage which would normally be taken up by the engine. So this is high-low, so you can move that up and down as you like. There's storage underneath the seats there. Obviously there's storage underneath that one as well. If you want to move forward, pretty straightforward, you can go up the side deck there, which is raised. There is a little side deck over here, but obviously you need to climb over the seat, but the principle is still very much the same. And then to gain access, you would normally slide these two-part door back, and that gives you access into the cabin. First thing that meets you is this dining area, which is pretty clever because it does a number of things. First, you can drop the table down, and as you can see, those infill cushions over there will come up and make this into a double berth. You can then run the curtains right the way around, because you can see there's a lot of glass in here. A lot of glass. Right the way across the back as well. So that curtain converts that table into a berth, and also you'll notice that this seat here is one of those pop back and forward seats, so you can pop that way like so, and now you've got the ability for everybody to be facing forwards, which is much nicer if you're going along. And we'll just pop that back for them like so. Mini sort of galliette down here, so fridge, some nice drawer storage in here, cutlery, bits and pieces in there like so. I'm guessing you could put some sort of burner in there if you wanted to, or just leave it for storage. Sink with folding tap, calculator, which is really important if you're thinking about buying a boat, carling switches as we would expect. And then if I take a step back here, look, you'll notice that there is a big glass panel in the roof here, which is fixed, and then forward is a sliding or opening sunroof as well, so tons of ventilation and light in here. Helm station is good as well. You've got this really stylish little sporty seat, which is on a high-low and slides back and forward, so you really can get yourself into the right position. Little storage bin over there. Throttle controller, quite obviously steering wheel. Never seen this before. How sweet is this? Little chrome-plated joystick for the trim tabs, anchor winch, engine instrumentation, and then your plotter, Simrad plotter there. Speed and fuel there as well. There's also another nice thing here. So if you want to stand at the helm, you can do. You can lift that up like so, and then stand in here if it's a little bit bouncy, and you've got really good visibility. And again, great visibility going aft as well. See the back of the boat. If you want to put that table down, well, that's standard down, you can sit yourself down in the seat in a more conventional manner and steer as you would. I just forgot to show you actually while we were down here that underneath this little full step are the breaker switches for the electrics. There's also quite a good amount of little storage under the floor, like so. Access to your water tank. There's another one down here, similar format, lined locker, but it's, you know, storage is really good on a boat, any boat. So Perspex sliding door slides across, gives you access forwards to the little cabin. like we have here. And there you can see the cushions that make up the dinette berth. There's storage all underneath the fore berth here. If I take a step inside, you'll also notice there's a sneaky little quarter berth that runs right the way under there. Most people will use it for storage. And again, it's quite nice. There's hull windows right the way through. There's a foredeck hatch as well for extra light and ventilation. Windows, and then tucked behind this little door here is the heads. So electric pump loo, storage cupboards, sink, access hatch down there. Not standing headroom, but nevertheless quite a nice functional little heads. So there you go. Turn the light off. So hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you to the guys at Sussex Boat Shop for letting us have a look around. I will see you next time round. Thanks for watching.